I don't buy tomato sauce anymore. I just make it that way now. Delicious and easy to make. I will start by cutting 1 kilogram of ripe tomatoes, which I will remove from the top and cut it in half. Guys, this tomato sauce, it is delicious and it is also super easy to make. I am sure everyone will like the result. Once cut, I'm going to add half of the tomatoes in the blender. I will add 200 milliliters of water to it. And I will blend very well, for a few minutes. At this moment I would like to know, from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Selvai Naidu from South Africa, also for Seferina Cortez from Philippines, and Patrusa Maharaj from Florida. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I'm going to add the other half of the tomatoes, and I'll keep liquefying. I have added the tomatoes little by little, so as not to force the blender too much. I am sure friends, who will not buy tomato sauce again, after having learned this recipe, for how easy and delicious it is, and the best thing is that it can last up to 3 months in the fridge. I recommend it to everyone to save a little money. And so we should stay. I'm going to reserve this mixture. Next, in a pan I will add a little oil. Then I will add a medium onion cut into very small cubes. And I'm going to fry the onion for a few minutes. Once the onion is sautéed, I will add all the mixture of the blender. And I'm going to spice up by adding a teaspoon of salt, ground black pepper to taste, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and I will mix well, to incorporate these ingredients into the sauce. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message, I love tomato sauce, to send you a very special greeting. I will cover and let cook over medium heat for 20 minutes or until thickened. From time to time, we must move the sauce so as not to run the risk of our tomato sauce sticking to the pan and burning. And now our tomato sauce is ready. You saw how easy it was to make it. Now you just have to store it in a glass jar with a lid. Take it to the freezer and it will last up to 3 months. But I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.